Hey everybody, I am so excited to be announcing our all new and redesigned V-Flat 2.0. It's been 6 years since we launched our first V-Flat in 2018. We've sold well over 100,000 V-Flats, and we are finally coming out with a new updated 2.0 version that I think you're going to be really happy with. So the main issues that we are addressing is the longevity and the quality of the V-Flat. So that starts with a U-channel edge protector around the entire V-Flat. I'm going to show you how that looks. It's basically built-in hard plastic. It's matted in black on the black side, white on the white side, and this goes around the entire V-Flat. It'll not only protect it during shipping to prevent crush corners, but also just overall longevity and quality. It will definitely help out tremendously. So one of the things people really did not like was the Velcro. If you pulled too hard, the Velcro can tear off sometimes. Also, it doesn't seal all the light in, so there's some light leakage that could happen, and just over time it doesn't stick as well. With the new magnetic flap system, all you do is close the V-Flat and just flap. Sounds beautiful, and it seals everything in, and it holds really strong. So no more Velcro, no more of those issues. You're gonna absolutely love this. So one of the big issues people would complain about was warping. Now this did not happen to everybody, but a lot of photographers would get the V-Flats, and over a few months they'd start seeing bowing and warping. And this would happen with different temperatures and humidity. But we've been testing these for over a year. They're coming from a new manufacturer, and we have not had any problems, so we're really excited about that. We are confident that you are going to love these V-Flats. They are great. They function just like the other ones, except they are better quality and they're going to last you longer. Another thing to mention is the price point of these V-Flats, which is going to blow your mind because they're only a $10 to $15 difference between the original V-Flat. And that's a huge plus, especially being that we have improved these so drastically.